All right, moving down the page, we have our testimonials. So to insert the testimonials, we're just going to go back to our elements and scroll down to where it says A-Themes Testimonials and drag it in, and we'll see what happens. All right, so we have a testimonial off the bat, and we're not sure what it's going to look like, but if we open it, we can see we have item 1 and item 2, and it looks like there's an option for a client photo and a title. All right, so why don't we bring in a heading? Let's click to the elements with the 9 boxes, and we're going to bring in a heading above the testimonials, which is just what our clients say. Center it, and we'll give some space in between the counters, so that would be margin on the bottom. All right, so now we need the images of a couple of clients that will give us reviews. So what we can do is just go to the Sydney demo and right click on these cool images of like John Doe and just save it, and then right click the other guy, save image as, and he's Jamie Stevens, and save it. And if we open those up, it looks like we were hopefully able to download the right people. Yes, we were. Okay, so now let's go back to our Elementor editor. We're going to click on the first testimonial, open up item 1, click client photo, and upload and select files. And in this screen, we can easily just choose from our downloads, in other words, my hard drive, where we have our demo images of the people from Sydney. All right, so we'll insert the first guy, insert media. Then we can close that one and open item 2, client photo, insert the second guy, insert. All right, so our carousel of testimonials is working, and to get it to look exactly like the Sydney theme demo, we just need that background image. So we've already covered how to get the background from one of the Sydney demo sections using right-click, inspect, but that can actually get a little bit hectic. Good thing I found that background for us on Pixabay just by remembering the search we did for people. So here it is right here. We can just click on it and free download like normal and download. Now back in Elementor, we're faced with an interesting situation. We would rather have a section that spans the entire width of the page, but what we have is an intersection which sits in the middle of the page. Let's look at our options here. We can click on the section settings right here, go to advanced, and we see there's no margin or padding. But if we go to the section settings from the counter above it and we click advanced, there is a bottom margin of 100, which is sort of hurting us there because that makes it so we can't put a background image on the whole section beneath it. In other words, if that bottom margin is 100, we're not controlling this white space right here in between the section and the counter. That's just like out of the realm of any background we can put on what our clients say. So what we want to do is get rid of that bottom margin, and we want to actually make that padding that goes within the what our clients say section. Okay, so now we're in what our clients say. We're going to unlink the padding and put a top padding of 100. Beautiful, and now we're in a lot better control of this entire section because basically this little half hexagon just moved from down here to up here, and we can control all this white space. You'll see how we can control it when we click on layout, and then we stretch the section so we can get all the borders as well on the columns, on the sides, etc. And then when we click style, we can put a background on this whole section. So style, background type, classic, image, upload, select. We're going to grab the People Sydney background, and then we're going to hit Insert Media. All right, and we did it. So this section looks really cool now. Let's see how it looked on the demo, and it just had a little bit of dark overlay on it, and then the text is white, so we're almost there. Let's go ahead and make the heading white. Click on the heading, click Style, Text Color White. Let's click on the testimonials now. Style, name. I don't care what color the name is. Name can be white. Perfect. If we click testimonial, the color of that can definitely be white. And then we just want the manager position to also be white. Okay, beautiful. Now let's do this. Let's click on the section settings and let's make that background image position be top center. Or how about just center, or just anywhere where we can see more of it like we do in the demo. So maybe that's even bottom center. I'm not sure. Center looks good. Okay, and then last but not least, we need an overlay on this what our clients say section. We can go to background overlay, choose classic, let's click color, and now let's just make it a little bit darker. Beautiful, just hitting that black box right there makes it darker. And update. Okay, and we're all done with the testimonials section. Great job, everyone.